to have this audience with you, this session this afternoon. I'm ready to answer your questions.
Aside from visiting JV Village, ano po ba ang pakaiba natin? Of course, San David Church, ano po ba, anong ibang mga activities pa na natin nag-attend?
Actually, ma'am, may sadya talaga ako doon sa Maasin. It's my birthplace. Doon ako pinanganak eh. Marami akong relatives. One of the things that we are presently discussing is yung politika doon, the dynamics. Puro pinsan ko yan sila, halos. So, pag-usapan natin, acting as a mediator para maganda ang takbo ng Leyte, at least doon sa lugar nila. And punta na lang ako dito. Ang sadya ko rin talaga, I timed it to visit them and to visit here because of the fiesta, but more importantly rather, is yung Yolanda na pinuntahan ko nung tragedy that happened many years ago. Tinignan ko lang yung kung ano ang buhay nila. Kinumusta ko lang. Wala akong pumunta lang ako ng simbahan just to thank God for the journey here. Nagkandila ako just like any Roman Catholic. Tapos kakain, but paalis na rin ako ngayong hapon.
So, isa na lang. Ano ba ang nakita mong sitwasyon nila, sir, ng mga Yolanda? Yung sitwasyon nila, sir, ng mga Yolanda survivors?
Well, I'm happy that they have at least there's a regrowth of the place, and although I was not able to talk to them intimately because kulang yung panahon, but to see the smiling faces. But you know, if there is one tragic event in my life, marami yan eh. Matayan ka, gano'n. May isa akong event na nagkaroon ako ng trauma. Yung Yolanda. I will not it was a very traumatic experience because ewan ko kung nandoon kayo, but I was there right after. I could nakita ko yung mga tao na I had to navigate my way towards the regional office of the police to talk to them. I was only mayor lang ako noon. Pero sinabi ko na sa kanila na yung tulong ko, maswerte yun because at that time, the new ambulances kaka-deliver lang sa syudad. About 10 brand new. So, nung nangyari yun, we were all ears was listening to what was happening here, I said, because I was born here, yung parang umbilical cord ko konektado dito. May roots ako sa Leyte. Kaya ako, kinargahan ko lahat ng 5 trucks. Ito yung ambulansya ko, then pag kinabukasan, nag-chopper ako. Then, it was when I landed na papunta ako doon sa regional command. Nagkaroon ako ng trauma. Hanggang ngayon.
One last question na lang. While ago, Congressman Pindasipo, sabi niya, bakit ka daw pumunta rin sa Dominions na hindi mo naman yung ginagawa for my 6 years in presidency, going transfer.
Bakit ang pupunta? Pupunta ako ng simbahan, ma. Hindi na siguro nila alam, but every Roman Catholic faithful, maybe not always, but you have to go to church. Laking ano talaga ako At nalay ako, San Beda ako puro pare yan. So, I was there. Parang second nature na namin yung ganun. Ewan ko sa iba.
Next network.
It comes naturally.
Reaction na po yung pag-resign ng anak mo as Deputy Secretary. Bakit mo nagbitiw si Vice President Sara?
I really do not know the reason why. I do not talk to my daughter, and I would not want to talk about it. Si Sara kasi has her own mind, and we do not talk itong ganito sa trabaho niya. She's parang may distansya kami ni Sara.
Wala ba kayong pinag-usapan dito?
Wala.
Okay, next network.
Soylog.
Okay.
Former President. Ganong mahadlok man sila, mudagan mo? Kung sa'yo rason na naghadlukan man mo.
Mudagan.
Kung mudagan man mo, mga Duterte, ikahadlukan man mo. Ganong rason na nahadlok man sila ninyo?
Kay Tagalite, manggod me.
Okay. Anda.
May, guys, kasi kaskin nyo, asa mamunguta na, with the waray side, naman ko yung mga parinting ng waray, kay, usa na ba ning Leyte niya to? So, pag-traverse na yung mga on the Visayan side, nangitag kapalaran dari sa, so, hadlok sila kay mga taga-Leyte men. So, hadlok sila sa Leyte vote.
May follow-up question ka?
Okay, talang ko ba?
Oh.
Pagtalong kay naman ko. Siguro kay former ikaw sa report. Kabutan sa 2028, sa may tinuungkod na pupunta sa administrasyon.
Kana mo'y matubag na to o mo konsulta tas Ginoo layo kay na it's too distant really to give a reckoning of what will happen in between year 28 o karon. Anything goes na di tawo kanon di ana Diyos ray kay bawa na
Eastern Visayas.